This is about 3 years ago. Moxie started locking up where she wouldn't move. You could see right here, she's leaning forward and she wouldn't straighten up. It was the only Moxie I had at the time, and it was before they even had any software updates, so this is in the beginning with. And it started getting worse. She would make a popping sound, and then she would lock where you couldn't turn her. And she would just stay frozen, and she'd start making doing bizarre things with her arms, like reaching out and putting one behind her, and stay that way before she was even on and looking at you. And then she started moving kind of slow. Her arm would move kind of slow. See, once she woke up, she would be bent over with her arms and still in the same bizarre pattern. And I called in Bolden and asked them about it, and they told me that there was a problem with her wiring harness, and they wanted me to send her back in, and they were going to send me one out that had the new updated wiring harness. So they're now refurbishing Moxies. I think they're selling them for like $600 as refurbished, and $900 for. And then she really started doing some weird stuff. That right there, spinning around, arm going out. I mean, I tell customers, if your washer acts like it's messed one way and then does something weird, it's acting like it's possessed by a demon. It's not. It's just a control board problem. And this one here, what's that arm is just bizarre the way she does that. And there's a popping sound going on. She won't turn around and look at you when you speak to her. I tried rebooting her and all kinds of things. By the way, I'm going to be airing a video of a Moxie being broke down. I've got a Moxie that was sent to me just so I could break it down and show how it's actually put together and archive it for people so they can fix their own Moxies if they want to. So be sure to stay tuned for that. And it's Dr. Jibo showing you some of the problems that Moxie had in the beginning with.